Welcome back, viewers. You're watching The Savera and I'm Shifali. The weather in Punjab is expected to remain normal today with no alert issued by the Meteorological Department. The stable weather pattern is likely to continue over the next 7 days. However, rainfall in the mountainous region is causing some concern for Punjab, particularly due to the increased water flow in the rivers and dams. Over the past days, water has been continuously released from the Pong Dam, and the Bhakra Dam Management Board discharged approximately 40,000 cuses of water into the Beas River. This has caused the water levels in the Beas to rise gradually. Now, despite this, BBMB officials have assured the public that the water is being released in a controlled manner and there is no need to panic. Meanwhile, the Ghaggar River is also experiencing high water flow, creating a potential flood threat in Patiala and some districts of Haryana. In recent days, water has entered some low-lying areas, but authorities say the situation is currently under control. Temperature readings across Punjab has been close to normal. No rainfall was recorded anywhere in the state from Thursday morning until today, resulting in a slight temperature increase of 0.7 degrees Celsius. The highest temperature was recorded at 36.5 degrees Celsius in Samrala, Ludhiana. Now, according to data from the Meteorological Center in Chandigarh, temperatures including 34.4 degrees in Amritsar, 35.2 degrees Celsius in Ludhiana and 35.3 degrees Celsius in Patiala and 35.5 degrees Celsius in Faridkot. Water levels in Punjab's major dams are significantly higher than last year due to the intensity of this year's monsoon and heavy rainfall in the upper catchment area. As of 6 p.m. on August 7, the water levels in the Bhakra, Pong and Thain dams situated on the Satluj, Beas and Ravi River respectively show increased inflows compared to the previous year. The Bhakra Dam, located on the Satluj River, has a maximum capacity of 1,685 feet and can store up to 5.918 million acre-feet of water. On August 7 this year, the water level reached 1638.82 feet, holding 4.193 MAF, which is approximately 70.85% of the dam's total capacity. Now, this is higher than last year when the water level stood at 1613.51 feet on the same day. Similarly, the Pong Dam on the Beas River, with a full capacity of 1400 feet and storage capacity of 6.127 MAF, had a water level of 1378.82 feet on August 7, containing 4.636 MAF or 71.67% of its capacity last year. The dam's water levels were 1333.56 feet on the same day, stronging only 2.782 MAF. The Thain Dam, built on the Ravi River, has a maximum filling capacity of 1,731.98 feet and a storage capacity of 2.663 MAF. So, as of August 7, the water level was recorded at 1,695.78 feet with 1.999 MAF of water, meaning the dam was filled to 75.7% of its capacity. This is a notable increase compared to the last year's water level of 1,624.49 feet and storage of 1.112 MAF on the same date. Forecasts for temperatures and weather conditions in various cities of Punjab indicate mostly light cloud cover with a chance of rain. Amritsar is expected to experience temperature ranging from 26 to 34 degrees Celsius with light clouds and some rain. Jalandhar and Patiala are forecasted to have similar temperature ranges between 26 to 34 degrees and 27 to 34 degrees respectively, with light cloud cover and rain expected. Ludhiana's temperature may range from 26 to 35 degrees with light cloud and rain, while Mohali is expected to have temperature between 24 to 34 degrees with similar weather conditions. Now, overall, while the plains of Punjab will experience normal weather for the coming week, the increased water release from rivers, dams, rising water levels to rain in the mountainous require careful monitoring to avoid potential flooding, particularly in vulnerable low-lying areas. Authorities come to watch the situation closely to ensure public safety and manage water resources effectively. That's all for now in this update. Stay tuned to The Savera, download the app and follow us on various social media platforms.